Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin resolving BIOS issues on your HP EliteBook 840G5, first ensure that you have the necessary tools at hand. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother and safer. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's essential to remove the battery if it's removable, as this will prevent any electrical damage during the repair process. If your model has a non-removable battery, ensure that the laptop is completely powered down. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the laptop. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Remember to keep the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Typically, there are around 10 screws that you will need to remove. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using a plastic spudger. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. As you lift the cover, take a moment to observe the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. This small, round battery is crucial for maintaining BIOS settings. If you're experiencing BIOS issues, it might be beneficial to reset the BIOS by removing this battery. Gently disconnect the battery using your fingers or a plastic tool, and wait for about 5 minutes before reinserting it. This step can often resolve persistent BIOS problems. While you're inside the laptop, it's also a good opportunity to clean any dust or debris. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and vents. Keeping the internals clean can significantly improve performance and lifespan. If you find the process too daunting or lack the tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. No calls, no travel required. We will provide a quote before any repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After you've completed the cleaning and battery reset, carefully replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Then, reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely, but take care not to over-tighten as this could damage the laptop. Finally, reconnect the battery if it was removed, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Enter the BIOS setup by pressing the appropriate key during startup, usually F10 for HP laptops. Check if the settings look correct and if the system boots successfully. If the issues persist, it might indicate a deeper hardware problem. In this case, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Our team can assist you further, and remember, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure or encounter any obstacles, our pickup and delivery service at your home ensures you don't have to deal with transportation hassles. Rest assured, we provide a quote before any repair, so you can make informed decisions about your laptop's care. With these steps, you should have a better understanding of how to tackle BIOS issues on your HP EliteBook 840G5. Good luck with your repairs, and remember, regular maintenance can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.